This is what around 20 million pesos buys you a condo here in BGC Uptown. So welcome to Uptown Arts Residence, the newest high-end luxury condo, New York-inspired building that will be ready by 2025. It is still under pre-selling stage, so it has a lower price. So let's check the unit. So dito naman tayo sa our prime unit, 1 bedroom plus 1 here in Uptown Arts BGC. So etong side na to, dito located ang ating kitchen area which is separated to our dining and for our bedroom units. So this one, meron tayong induction cooktop and syempre pwede tayo mawalan ng hoods. Tapos complete tayo ng sets ng cabinets. Kitang-kita nyo naman yung quality ng cabinets na yan. It's like you're living on a high-end place with the luxury vibes. Syempre, sulit na sulit dito yung mismong price. So this one, this will be our plus 1 unit or what we call maid's room. Pwede din siya maging extra room or guest room. Why? Meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. So, ganun kaganda yung mismong plus 1 natin. This one, magkakaroon tayo ng free 2 doors cabinet which is already vintage theme Goren Hay. So again, all of our appliances here is already top European brands. So dito naman tayo sa ating combination of living and dining. Imagine living here in Uptown BGC, having a nice view, a nice location for your unit, prime unit and also corner unit. So sulit na sulit talaga dito. Because here, we're not just buying the unit, we're buying the lifestyle and also the convenience, and the best part is the quality. So ito, meron tayong free split type aircon for your for less maintenance and hassle on your part. And kitang-kita naman dito yung laki ng ating floor to ceiling glass windows. Even our door is full glass, and ito yung magiging balcony natin facing Uptown BGC skyline. So ayan, all of your needs is within your reach here in your property. Tapos diretso naman tayo sa ating bedroom. So technically, meron tayong mini hallway or what we call pass through our common toilet and bath. So here's our common toilet and bath. Kitang-kita nyo yung laki ng size, even the equipments is complete na. So ganito aganda yung magiging unit natin. Meron tayong rin shower, retractable shower, toilet, and also complete set ng ating sink, even the mirror. So mapapansin nyo kahit yung doors natin, napakaganda ng kulay, napaka-dark and relaxing. So this will be our main bedroom, also counted as a corner unit since meron tayong view of BGC area. So ganito magiging kaganda yung mismong bedroom nyo, having a full glass window, another free aircon, and kung mapapansin nyo, lahat ng ating controls here is already automated and smart home equipped. So ganun kaganda and advanced yung mismong unit natin. By the way guys, best din tong unit na to for Airbnb, renting, staycation, or even resale. So if you're planning to make it as your own business, swak na swak din to para sa inyo. This condo is located near the Uptown Mall, Lander Superstore, Japanese Mitsukoshi Mall, and Uptown Parade. Malapit din ito sa Grand Hyatt Hotel and St. Luke's Hospital. So kung feeling mo na para sa itong property na to, message me now.